बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आई एम राना मुख्तार अहमद खान जोया, चेयरमैन शाहीन कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी पाकिस्तान। शाहीन इंग्लिश शॉर्ट हैंड प्रैक्टिकल डिक्टेशन 700 वर्ड्स बुक 2 एक्सरसाइज नंबर 13 डिक्टेशन स्पीड 100 words per minute. Ready, start. Ought for the cute old days, made often have we heard those words. How often have we been told of those cute old days and all how happy they were, full stop. In those days the weather during all the months of the summer was perfect, colon. In the winter it was just what winter weather should be, full stop. Life was more peaceful, events did not follow one another quite so quickly, friends were more true and more understanding, full stop. There was more respect for family life when men were happy in their work and life was a very good thing, full stop. Those past days, we are told, were very different from the present days of restlessness and doubt, of the wrong weather in both summer and winter, full stop. Perhaps we ask, when were those happy times when all men were brothers and life was so easy and free, question mark. Some will answer that they were, full stop. Others will place them round about 900, while others will place them in the 90s, full stop. In our reading also we come upon stories of the golden days of the past, but we find here that at all times during the past 2000 years men have been pointing back to the happy days of old, attempting to paint for us a picture of those happy days and to show us how much better those days were than the times in which they were then living, full stop. What is the reason for this looking back into the past to find happiness, question mark? Perhaps it is that at almost any time there are many people who are leading happy lives but who do not talk or write about it, but there are also many others who were happy in their young days but who have failed to change with the changing conditions of the life going on about them, full stop. For these people the world used to be a better place than it is at present, full stop. There are few of us who cannot look into the past and find happy days, full stop. As children we have little or no control over the details of our lives, but we are generally happy because we are able more easily not to regard these details if they do not please us, full stop. We can ourselves off from the outside world and build up a happy world of our own, full stop. It might be easy for us to believe these people who find good only in the conditions of the past were, if not for the fact that these same people will at other times tell us how different things were when they were young, how hard they were forced to work, for what long hours they were kept at their work, how few players they had, and so on, full stop. And for every book which we read telling us of the good old days, there will be another telling us of the bad old days, of the hard lives of the masses of the people. Full stop. Most of us would not be willing to return to the conditions of life as it was lived 30, 40, or 50 years ago. Full stop. We believe that it is better to be living in the present. All the troubles of the present day. Full stop. We know that we have no right to expect to be happy all the time, and we know also that by keeping in touch with the life and the thought and the interests of our own times, we can help to make the present days happy ones, both for ourselves and for others. Full stop. We can be certain too that at some time in the future old people will look back to these present days and will speak of them as the good old days. Stop writing, please.